Hey, if you're using ACS On Demand, this one's for you. We're going to walk through connecting your KleerCard account so your transactions flow right into your accounting system. No manual entry needed. First up, in your KleerCard portal, we're setting up how your charges export. Think of this like telling KleerCard, hey, when you send us data, here's what to call each column. We're matching things up: transaction ID, GL account, date, amount. Pretty simple, just pairing KleerCard's fields with the ones ACS expects to see. Now let's hop over to ACS. Before we can bring transactions in, we need a home for them, so we're going to add a new account. This is going to be a liability account. We're calling it KleerCard Payable. That's where your card charges will land. Just a few quick fields here: the account type, where it falls under your chart of accounts, and which fund it belongs to. Nothing complicated, just a bit of a setup so ACS knows where this money goes. Once your account's ready, you'll head to your KleerCard statements and grab your CSV download. That's the file with all of your transaction details. Quick peek inside the file just to make sure everything looks right. You'll see your transaction ID, the account, dates, amounts, all lined up the way we set it up earlier. Now back to ACS, we're going to import that file, head to General Ledger, then import transactions. This is where the magic happens. You'll browse to find your downloaded file, select it, and we're ready for the next step. This next part is the heart of it, mapping your fields. ACS needs to know which column in your file matches which field on its end. Before we bring anything in, ACS just wants to know a few basics: how to match up accounts, and where things should land if something's not specified. We've already got this part handled. Here's where we tell ACS exactly which column means what: account, amount, all of it. Once it's mapped, you won't have to do this part again next time. Once everything's mapped and there's no red flags, you'll get a preview of exactly what's about to import. Take a second to double check it. And there it is. Everything's matched up and ready to go. We'll save this mapping so future imports are even faster. And that's the whole integration. If you run into any snags, reach out to our team. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching.